Welcome again, and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. So, congratulations are in high order for Elaine Thompson Herah, as she was named the World Female Athlete for the year. So, congratulations goes out to our double Olympic champion Elaine Thompson Herah on being named Female Athlete for the Year by the American Athletic Association. As you know, Elaine Thompson has done Jamaica very proud, and she still continues to wave the flag of Jamaica high for many to see, as she did so well just a few months ago at the Tokyo Olympics, and also even in the Diamond League races that were held in different places across the world. But this female, I can say, she's a force to be reckoned with, and she's one of those athletes that still continue to dominate the track and field scene and still continue to show that she is one of the best athletes to date in the female category, and she just continue to excel at her game, and she's doing her thing. And I just want to say much love and much respect goes out to her for producing such a wonderful performance at the Tokyo Olympics. So Elaine Thompson made the job easy in the recent Tokyo Olympics and performance, and she's also one of those athletes that is being looked at to become one of the world's most successful athletes of the era. And I can tell you that this just goes well to show you that Jamaican athletes, they are doing very well, and they are continuing to manipulate the whole entire situation of the sporting arena, especially Elaine Thompson with her spectacular performance to date. She's one of those female that I can tell you we're watching her, and we're just hoping for the best for her to come in this level of her sporting discipline. But all I can say is that we here at Jamaica, we are some real good people, and it's not a matter of how they perform, it's a matter of what they're doing for the country, and a matter of how they are trying to propel the name of Jamaica out there on the international scene. Because some of the time people might have negative things to say about Jamaica, but when we look, there's so much wonderful things to celebrate as well. And this is just another in a series of things that have happened that I really think needs to be celebrated. And I must say, Elaine Thompson here, she has done Jamaica very proud. And I believe that she will continue to do very well in the sporting discipline. She clocked some real good time in the Tokyo Olympics. And even though many were actually doubtful of her when she just initiated her craft in the sport, now she's showing the world that she's one of the best athletes to date, and she's still continuing to dominate most of the popular events in track and field, and she will always be forever remembered as one of Jamaica's greatest athletes to dominate the sport. So much love goes out to her, and much respect for continuing to wave the flag of Jamaica, and we just want to congratulate her and thank her for continuing to do good. So this is where we're going to leave this report for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. I trust and hope that you're doing fine, keeping safe as always, and just continue to support the movement of Links 007 TV. Peace out and have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV family.